Hi, this is Dr. Roy Kim, and today I'm excited to have an unboxing of the latest in breast implant technology. I think that Motiva Breast Implants represent the best in technology, the latest in advances. I'll go through all the nerdy technical reasons as to why and show you, and then you can decide for yourself. I think one of the key features of Motiva Breast Implants are that they have a smooth surface, but with slight texture to actually really reduce capsule contracture. So this is a traditional smooth implant, and it does feel smooth. Having said that, this is a Motiva breast implant, which is technically smooth, but you notice it's not quite the same color. It's not quite see-through. The reason why is this has a slight minimal texture. It's 4 nanometers. I mean, it feels slightly velvety. It's interesting, in the world of biophysics, they published a paper and showed that this is actually a smooth implant. It acts like a smooth implant. So why is that important? It doesn't really create as much scar tissue around the implant, which means that there's less tissue reaction and thus less capsule. So Motiva breast implants are actually made differently than traditional silicone breast implants. Let me show you a traditional one. It looks like this, and they have an envelope or shell, and they fill the back of it right here. So it looks like a little round opening. Now, it doesn't look open now, but the way they make it is they make the envelope, they fill it with silicone gel, and they put a patch on that's a circular patch right here. So technically, there's a weakness because it's patched on. Now, with Motiva breast implants, it may look the same. You may see a tiny patch here, but it's technically not a patch. This entire implant is made with one injection. So in other words, the envelope as well as the filler material and closing it up is made with one silicone gel injection, if you will. So there's no defect, there's no potential defect right here at the patch because technically there's no patch. So I don't know if you can really see, but a regular implant looks sort of clear. Motiva implants actually look a little bluish. The reason why is that you can check for the integrity of the filler material, the silicone, with what they call blue seal, B-L-U-S-E-A-L. So right here, you can see it's blue. You may not be able to see it on the video, but there's like a solid line here, that's a blue line. It's not broken up. That way you know that the silicone gel inside has not fractured. So that's important just to make sure that there are no defects from the factory, but that's another offering that Motiva has in terms of new technology. Because of the way the gel is, as well as the way the envelope is, you can actually squeeze these a little more and put them through a slightly smaller incision than regular silicone implants. So that's another advantage of Motiva breast implants. Motiva does offer round as well as the teardrop shape. They call them round and ergonomics. So the round implants in Motiva definitely feel a little more firm, whereas the anatomic shape feels slightly more soft. I do think that the round ones, if you want a little more cleavage, a slightly more artificial look, that's the way to go. But if you want a more natural look, I think that anatomic is the way to go. When you're sitting up or standing up, it looks a little thicker at the bottom, a little thinner at the top, and has a more natural feel, if you will, versus the round ones. So on video, they may look the same, but when you come to the office, you'll be able to feel the difference, and you'll notice that the anatomic ones definitely feel a little softer. Motiva does offer a huge range of sizes. Specifically, they offer small, medium, large. They can't call it that, of course. So they have different sizing in terms of cup sizing or how much it protrudes from your rib cage, as well as different volume sizes, 150 to 625. Just to let you know, I think average sizing in the US will be somewhere around 250 to 550 cc's, and the vast majority of my patients get around 350 to 450. So they have the sizing as well as the volumes covered. So Motiva implants feel very natural. They look very natural in my hand, but also in patients, they look and feel extremely natural. So I'm very happy with the way that Motiva has sort of engineered the envelope as well as the gel inside. Motiva is backed up by their parent company, Establishment Labs. They do have a great warranty. What's unique about the warranty is that they have, in my opinion, a slightly better capsule contracture warranty, essentially because the capsule contracture rate in Motiva implants is extremely low. The other unique thing is that they have what they call the Femtech Promise, which means that within the first 2 years of placement, if you don't want your implants for any reason or just no reason, they'll give you some financial assistance to actually remove your implants if you so wish. Additionally, Motiva sort of has a regular implant warranty that comes free with all implants, as well as an upgradable one, which costs about $250 to upgrade to what they call the Health Program Plus. A little better coverage, a little better financial assistance if required, and of course it's an option. So Motiva Breast Implants definitely offer a big innovation in breast augmentation and lift, breast reconstruction, and essentially breast implant technology. I would consider breast implants from Motiva to be 6th generation devices. As always, it's crucial to talk to your plastic surgeon about Motiva breast implants and see if they're right for you. There are some subtleties. It is an FDA approved device, but it is a serious decision to figure out what best breast implant is for you. If you want to learn more about the breast implant warranties, I recently made a video about all the different companies here that are allowed to be sold for aesthetic breast implant use in the United States, so you could decide for yourself if warranty coverage makes a difference. It's not that one's better or worse. To be honest, they're a little different, so it depends on what you're interested in. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And as always, thanks so much for watching.